Attach 2 cords to your ring with a lark's head knot. Take the cord on the very far right and point it down, diagonal, and to the left, and then tie 3 double half hitch knots around this leading rope, starting with the first cord on the right side. Another cord and attach it to that same leading rope with a reverse lark's head knot. Now bring in a new cord, and with this cord we're going to tie it around the 2 cords on the far right using a berry knot. So that just means I'm going to start by tying 3 square knots around these 2 cords. Place it up towards the top so that you have a little bit of a gap here. Those 2 middle cords and stick them up through the little gap here at the top. Just curl them upwards, pull them through that gap, and then just keep pulling on those until your berry knot rounds and forms. Then secure by tying another square knot. Like that. Go ahead and just tuck those ends out of the way for now. We will clean it all up at the end of our project. Now, take your same leading cord you used before, and this time point it down, diagonal, and to the right. Tie 5 double half hitch knots around this leading rope. Take another cord and attach it to that leading rope with a reverse lark's head knot. Now, once again, take another piece of cord and tie a berry knot around the 2 cords, this time on the far left. Then just go ahead and again kind of tuck those ends out of the way for now. And we're going to take the cord all the way here on the far right, our normal leading rope, and it points down diagonal and to the left where we tie again a bunch of double half hitch knots, repeating the same process as before. Add your next cord with the reverse lark's head knot to that leading rope. Tie your berry knot around the 2 cords on the far right. And we're just going to keep repeating the same process we've been doing over and over again until we've used all our cords and reached the desired length. And now we're going to kind of clean up our project and finish out the rest of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim all these cords down here just to match my shortest one. You can make these as long or as short as you would like when you trim your own. And now we're going to take up our project and flip it around so we can deal with these ends. So for each backing, I'm going to take each end and I'm going to tie it in one simple standard knot just to lock this in even more than it is. It's very secure already, but this is just going to add a little extra security. And then once that's done, I'm just going to take my scissors and trim off every single end. And this is what the back is going to look like once you have that all cleaned up. And when you flip it back around, this is what that front side is going to look like. So you guys can totally have fun with the different colors you use. You can make this a lot bigger if you would like. You can also, instead of using the berry knots, you can use beads as well.